The November 2019 SmartSimple upgrade contains several exciting enhancements. As a result, we have made platform changes to improve the user experience of your system. Let's walk through what you can expect from this upgrade. Upgrade cycle changes. Before we talk about the enhancements, I would like to note that we are moving to a 4-month release cycle in 2020. This means there will be 3 upgrades a year going forward instead of 4. This will give us more time to build bigger and better features. User experience enhancements. These changes will affect all users. Deprecation of Classic interface. If you're still using the Classic interface, which looks like this, your system will automatically be converted to use the Arcadia interface, which looks like this. We are switching everyone to the Arcadia interface to ensure the best and most accessible user experience for all our clients and their communities. This includes both system administrators and users with role-based portals. Tab bar. Last upgrade, we introduced a beta preview of a productivity feature called the tab bar. The tab bar feature allows you to multitask by opening multiple concurrent screens and navigating between them. We added some polish and extra functionality to this feature and are happy to fully release it now. For example, we added support for split screen in tabs and the ability to reorder tabs. List view improvements. We have made it easier to create complex list view filters. You can now combine multiple filters for a single list view. For example, to list all grant applications that you have created, or that your organization created, or that your co-applicant created, all in one list view. You can now create 3 simple filters and attach all 3 to a single list view. When you're building a list view and adding fields to a column, we have added a search capability so you can easily search for specific fields. Search by field name, caption, type, or ID. Search in portal sections. We have enhanced the look and feel as well as the functionality of the search panel option of a portal list view. If you haven't seen this yet, it's an easy way to provide filtering and searching options for your end users. Just toggle on Show with Search Panel and specify the columns that you want to be searchable by the user. Improvements to policy acceptance. You can already define your own security and privacy policies and enforce the user acceptance of them. This upgrade, we made it easier to export user acceptance information. We have introduced a new searchable list, making it easier for you to audit and download user acceptance agreements. Perform various searches on the list, such as name, ID, country, and other criteria. These PDF documents are time-stamped with who accepted, when, and what version of your policy they accepted. Note, you can also export this information via reports. Entering and editing translations. If you work with multiple languages, the translation button used to enter translations on configuration pages has moved, and the icon has changed. Before the upgrade, the button appeared beside the caption. After the upgrade, it will appear in the action bar. We made this change for a more consistent experience. Icons. We have introduced a lot more icons for you to choose from, making it easier to find the perfect icon. We have also made some minor changes to system icons. For example, they are now a little bigger for accessibility. Also, the change language and the main icons have changed. The new set of icons come in 3 different styles: regular, light, solid, and you can choose brand icons. Optional features and enhancements. Distance filtering. You can now use the map-enabled list views to filter based on geolocation distance. This makes it easy for you to find the people and organizations located near you or a location of your choice. Use your current location or enter an address, or simply point and click on the map to adjust the location. Then adjust your filter settings as desired. The person and customer fields are used to filter the proximity of users and organizations. See detailed information about users and organizations by clicking on the list or map. You can even toggle between the record and the map in the right panel. We plan to extend address functionality to grants and events in a future release. Sneak previews. Here's a look at some of the things we are working on that you can expect in a future release. Configuration mode for portals. We are working on making user portals easier to build and maintain. In a future upgrade, we will provide predefined templates that you can modify through an inline configuration mode. This will greatly simplify portal building. ORCID integration. We are adding support for ORCID integration to the user profile. Researchers applying for funding can pull their profile directly from ORCID into your system, saving them time. If you have questions, contact us at support@smartsimple.com or call us at 1-866-239-0991. More information about this upgrade can also be found on our wiki. Visit wiki.smartsimple.com.